Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most awe-inspiring wonders of the ancient world, the Great Pyramid of Giza. Standing tall for over 4,500 years, this colossal structure remains the only surviving wonder of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Join us as we explore the mysteries of how it was built, the fascinating history behind it, and the incredible engineering feats that make the Pyramid of Khufu a symbol of ancient Egypt's power and ingenuity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as we unravel the secrets of this timeless marvel. The pyramid is estimated to have been built using approximately 2.3 million limestone and granite blocks, each weighing between 2.5 and 15 tons. These stones were transported and assembled with such precision that modern technology struggles to replicate the techniques used. The internal structure features several intricate chambers, including the King's Chamber, Queen's Chamber, and the enigmatic Grand Gallery. The exact purpose of some of these spaces and the methods used to construct them remain subjects of debate and fascination among archaeologists and historians. Beyond its architectural grandeur, the Great Pyramid holds deep cultural and religious significance. It was built as a royal tomb to house Pharaoh Khufu's body and possessions, ensuring his transition and immortality in the afterlife. The pyramid's original polished limestone casing and stones would have made it gleam in the sunlight, symbolizing a divine connection to the heavens. Some theories also suggest that the pyramid's design aligns with astronomical bodies, emphasizing the ancient Egyptians' profound knowledge of the cosmos. Today, the Great Pyramid is the only surviving wonder of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. It continues to captivate millions of visitors each year, serving as a testament to the ingenuity, ambition, and spiritual devotion of its creators. Modern studies and technological advances, such as 3D mapping and ground-penetrating radar, reveal new insights into its construction and purpose, ensuring that the mystery and allure for generations to come. The Great Pyramid of Giza, constructed during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu around 2560 BCE, stands as an extraordinary achievement in human history. Rising to an original height of 146.6 meters, 481 feet, it was the tallest man-made structure on Earth for nearly 3,800 years. Built from an estimated 2.3 million limestone and granite blocks, the pyramid's construction reflects unparalleled precision, with its sides aligned almost perfectly to the cardinal points. The sheer scale and accuracy of its design highlight the advanced engineering and organizational skills of ancient Egyptian civilization, leaving scholars and archaeologists in awe even today. This monumental structure was not merely a tomb but a symbol of divine authority and eternal life. The pyramid's internal design includes the King's Chamber, made from red granite, and the Grand Gallery, a long corridor leading to the central burial chamber. Its builders believed that the pyramid would help Khufu's soul ascend to the heavens, securing his immortality. Additionally, the pyramid was originally covered in polished white limestone casing stones, which reflected sunlight and made it shine brilliantly, earning it the title, the Light, among ancient Egyptians. Modern investigations have revealed that the Great Pyramid still holds secrets. Technologies like ground-penetrating radar and thermal imaging have identified anomalies within its structure, suggesting hidden chambers or passageways yet to be explored. Despite extensive research, the exact methods of its construction remain a mystery, sparking theories ranging from ramps and levers to advanced genuine techniques. Today, as the only surviving wonder of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, the Great Pyramid continues to fascinate and inspire, standing as a testament to the ingenuity, ambition, and spiritual depth of one of history's most remarkable civilizations.